Hello everyone. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we'll be addressing a common issue that many users encounter, Nox Player getting stuck at 99% on macOS. If you've been facing this problem, don't worry. We've got you covered with a step-by-step troubleshooting guide. So, without further ado, let's get started. First, uninstall previous installed Nox Player from your system. If you don't know how to uninstall software on Mac, check I button for more instruction. First, download Nox Player from official website. If you've already completed the download, there's no need to do it again. After that, open any web browser and go to VirtualBox official website. From here, download VirtualBox by clicking Download button. I have already downloaded, that's why I am not downloaded again. Now, install VirtualBox before installing Nox Player. After completing this installation process, install Nox Player. I hope, at this time, you are not facing Nox Player stuck at 99% issue. If you find this video helpful, be sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel.